there's a ghetto little situation. So we're in a little situation where we're trying to find out if we take the food to the beach, how are we gonna warm it up, because it's gonna get cold and the place is quite far away from the beach, so it's really gonna get cold. So we stopped at a local Ross, got this, and then we're gonna heat it up on the beach. A deal at Ross, 2 things for 20 bucks. Oh yeah. So much traffic. 21 minutes to go. Ghetto side of SF, but these are all the halal foods here. There's Pakistani foods and Indian foods. We're here at Pakwan. You see here, we actually decided to go there, but then we changed our mind because we already had that too many. So as soon as the food is ready, we're gonna head to the beach, and I hope the weather is okay because it feels good right now over here. We're gonna grab some food and we're gonna head to the beach. Hopefully it doesn't get that cold. The weather's perfect right now, so we'll see how it goes. Yo, what a fail. The sunset is gone and this up, but we're gonna do it.